Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to trade cryptocurrencies and gold using the Revolut app. To do this, we have to go to the dashboard and scroll to the cryptocurrencies. As you can see, Revolut is now offering 5 cryptocurrencies to trade. You can buy any of them. As you can see, I have some amount of money invested in Bitcoin Cash. So you just select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy and click on exchange. Then you can sell Bitcoin Cash or any other cryptocurrency, or you can buy any amount you want. Now let's talk about gold. To trade gold, you have also to go to the dashboard and scroll down to commodities. Unfortunately, this feature is only available to premium and metal users. I still haven't upgraded to any of plans, but I'm going to do this soon. Now let's take a look at my portfolio. So, as you can see, my portfolio is currently up 5%, and my goal is to build a balanced portfolio. I want my invested capital to grow over the next 10 years and still receive some amount of dividends. As you can see, a big part of my stocks from my portfolio are showing an uptrend. And last week, I received a small amount of dividends from JP Morgan. If you have any suggestions what stocks should I buy, please write them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time.